and then we have made one file, some basic we have created and we have run that file. You can run, and so this is the file that you have to read out. Okay, text is visible. Look like brightness is very high.
बंद कर रखे ना कल हल्का है वो अपडेट करे तो जरा अच्छा होता है ना जा स्पीड वो कल रात को गड़बड़ में मुझको रखी हाँ को मामा
We can come to developer guide.
developer
Developer guide we can go, and inside the developer guide, you will make the notes now, which we have made. Right, you have a developer guide now. Text file we have made yesterday, developer guide. You will write inside this developer guide H1 to H6. When to use H1 to H6? H1 to H6.
Will I get all the copies, sir, so that I don't need to write
But I can give you the copy after class only, no?
at the end of the principle or at the end of the course?
After end of the class.
That's okay, sir.
If you are writing your own, then it will be much effective. If you are not writing, then I will write it. I'm writing anyhow, but I will share after the class.
ठीक है, sir. That's okay.
Okay. H1 to H6, you can say, write, it is called heading tag. It is called heading tags. You can write if you are comfortable with the notebook. Okay, if you are not writing in the notebook, write in the system. It is called heading tag. Okay, it is called heading tags. It is called heading tag. Okay, it's called heading tag. It used to create. It used to create the headline or web page. Headline for web page. Web page. Whenever you create the page, inside the page, you need to display some information. Now, what type of information you are going to display, that you have to create a headline so that when the user will look into your page, they will understand, oh, this page is for this purpose. Right? Now, there is a limitation. What is that? In each page, H1 is required. In each page, H1 is required. Minimum and maximum one time. It is trying to say, like, in one page, H1 tag you should not use many times. Okay, in H1, in one page, H1 tag we should not use many times. How many times? One time. That represents the main headline. Okay. Now H2 to H6. H2 to H6. Okay. H2 to H6, there is no such kind of rule regulation. You can use one time, two time, three time, four time, five time, no problem. Okay. You can write H2 to H6, no such rule regulation. Okay, no such rule regulation. In between, for some time, Google has given a rule saying like in one page, H1 should be 2 times, H3 should be 3 times, H1 should be 1 time. But later, again modification happened. Google said like, no, let's keep one thing. H1 you keep compulsory in every page, remaining up to you. Okay, if you want H2 10 times, no problem, display it. If you want H6 20 times, no problem, display it. It is not going to affect any user experience. Okay. Now you will ask why H1 you are writing only 1 time. Yesterday you saw H1 was looking how bigger? Very big. H1 font size was very big. Okay. Now suppose you open a page, in one page, similar font size, headline, repeat 2 times. It will not make proper sense. Saying like this is the main headline and this is the sub headline. So people say, okay, not people say, digital marketing rule regulation, Google Analytics, even Google multiple algorithms are there, all say like keep one heading only 1 time. Okay, H1 time. Increasing the font size, decreasing the font size, color combination, all are the work of the CSS. Through CSS, you are going to manipulate that. Okay, you can write it somewhere. Will be helpful. Okay. Next, after that, the behavior of tab you saw, it was dependent, it was open close, it was printing in the new line, correct? After that, H1 to H6 is the output tab that we have seen already. You remember, I believe. Okay. Coming next. After that, next we have to create one page where we will use some headline and some other tags also. So create next file. What file name we are giving? Page 1 to 3, right? Okay. So create next file, page 3.html. In same folder, HTML folder. You can find out where is your folder. Let's try give proper name. While writing the file name, we should make sure yes, I'm giving the extension as HTML. So those all should be clear now. New file you create in HTML folder and give the file name called page 3.html. Page 3.html. Page 3.html. Page 3.html. Okay, so next we'll go to this file. We'll follow again. I believe you have in configure already from the settings. You have enabled the preferences. Auto close was happening. That will help you. We'll write HTML. See, first 4, 5, up to 6, 7, up to 10 examples. Okay, you will do mistakes. There is no problem at all. You will do mistake. Let it happen. Automatically, after few examples, you will come on the track. You will start saving the file. You will start running the file. Single quote, double quote. You will get idea. Okay, all will come automatically. But it will take some 5, 6, 7, 8 example to make it ready. Okay. HTML will follow the body tag. Okay, inside body tag, we will use some tags. Example, H1 will write once. And we'll write here call about us. Okay, H1 we wrote call about us. Now this page is holding one headline. And after that, you want to display some text information. So again, to display the text kind of data, which tag we have? If you have some kind of product description, user profile, any product details, any kind of item details, some kind of description you want to display in multi-line of the text, right? In hard copy, we have already idea. In hard copy, when we read hard copy book, we say yes, paragraph wise. Content will be organized paragraph wise, right? Here in the soft copy also we have a concept of p tag. It's called a paragraph. P tag is especially made to display the text data. Whenever we have text data, we will use the p tag. limitation we have to take care little. What is that? P tag will take some certain memory space. Whether you have content, you have no content, but still it will take fixed memory size. Okay, so we will remember when we are going to use the P tag, like P tag, for P tag minimum content should be 130 character. Minimum content should be 130 character. Okay, it should not be like mobile number you display in P tag. It should not be email ID you should display in P tag. It should not be gender you display in P tag. Okay, so for this small tag we have other. For a small text we have other tag. But the bulk tag, bulk text, more than 130 character, 200 character, 500 characters, right? Those type of content you will display through the tag called P tag, called a paragraph tag. Even we need to remember in one paragraph, you should not print more than 10 lines. If you're writing more than 5, 7, 8 lines or 10 lines, it will look very heavy. It will look huge content. Someone want to read, they will feel difficult. Even your search engine will feel like uncomfortable to go through the scan the content. So while writing the paragraph also, 5 lines, 6 lines will be better. Should not be huge content in one paragraph. Okay. Huge content with readability. It's called a readability. Readability in the sense your content must be able to read. Okay. Content should not be look like overload. It should not be huge lines up. When we read the newspaper, in one paragraph, how many content do you find? You don't find such a content, no? It will be block wise, right? 4 line, 5 line, one place, 4 line. Because they wanted the users to read the content. Right? When you will read, if suppose someone will give you 100 line in one shot, you will feel like very heavier. I'll see later. Right? If 3 lines is there, you can read it, you will feel something interesting. You will go for the next 3 line. Again, if you feel something interesting, you will go for the next 10 line. Keep reading, you will read. Okay, those are the like normal public mindset, and then according to that, you need to display your content and arrange the content. P tag will follow here. Okay, I'll write here that directly where to use this. Okay, P called P for paragraph. P for, there is no such full form for this. You are writing simple P for paragraph to remember it. Paragraph. Okay, it used to display. It used to display text data. Text data in. It used to display the text data in web page. In web page. Okay. It used to display the text data in web page, and you can write here use P tag if the text length is P tag if text length is more than 130 chars. Chars means characters. Okay. P per paragraph. It used to display the text data in web page. Use P tag if the text length is more than 130 characters. Use P tag if the text length is more than 130 characters. Okay, got it? Come down below. Now, question is, I want to display by mobile number. What is the length of the mobile number? 10 digits. You want to display your name, you want to display your education, you want to display your email ID. This text are a small text. You want to display the product name, you want to display product price, product quantity, in stock, out of stock. These all are what? A small text. Offer 300 old price, 250 new price. Correct? These all are a small text. So for this type of text, we have a special tags. Okay. In that special tags, there is a limitation again. Up to 130, 1 to 130, you will use the special tags. More than 130, you will use this one. Call it a P tag. Okay. So we'll write here. If you want to display a text up to 130 character, and the text should be normal text, not bold, not italic, not underline, then you have a tag called this one. Call it a label. Using label, you can display up to 130 character, and the text should not be bold, italic, underline here and there. It should be normal text. Okay, suppose example, I'll print my name here. So what will happen? It will be up to 130 character maximum, right? Same thing. Assume you want to display your name only, but it should be bold. Up to 130 only, but it should be bold. Then for that, we have a tag called this one. What is a B tag? So these all are under the text formatting tag, where up to 130 character you can display according to your requirement. Okay. So bold again, you can write something. You can write it. Okay. आप लिखिए. So what happened? One is called label, another become as a bold. Okay. So B, not bold B. So what will happen now? Text is same, but one place we are displaying as a normal text, another place we are displaying as a bold. Okay. Right here. Next, we have called I, italic. Okay. You can write here something. Bangalore. Similar a small text. Okay. Write again. U, called underline. Correct? You can write something. Right. Next, again, we have some other tag also. Okay. But we'll try till here. See how it is printing. I have written my name. I should write something else. Suppose what it says. Any text you can write, there is no problem. I change to the Bangalore. If you run the file, you will find it is going to come all in the same line. All will come in the same line. I will use another p tag here just to write few lines. Okay. Few lines. Use label B, italic, underlined, font, etc tag if text is between 1 to 130 pairs. Okay, another p tag I have taken. In one p tag, I wrote about the p tag. Another p tag I have used there. I wrote about the label, bold, italic, font, etc tags. Use if the text is between 1 to 130 characters. 1 to 130 character, bold, italic, underline, font, etc tag we can use. We have some more tag. EL tag we have called a strong tag we have. Okay, so those tags we can use up to 130 characters. These all are in line. You can check it. You can run it. All will print in the same line. Everything will print in the same line.
I tried to use two tags without this I tag.
I tag,
So it is working.
it will make italic.
As well as heading will be used.
Italic. H2 will give their own property. Inside, if you use I tag, then the text will be italic. Okay. Again, question is H1 to H6. You are going to use for how bigger text? Heading. H1 to H6, you will create the heading. Heading never come in two line. Heading always come how much? Single line. Single line only. H1 to H6 by default will be bold. You don't need of the B tag. If you want to keep italic, no problem. Inside the H1 to H6, you can use italic. If you want to make underline, you can use U tag inside. No problem. Okay. If you want to change the color of H1, then we have multiple options. Using font, we can change, or we can CSS, we can write. So now see HTML tags on professional application. When you are going to develop the project, in that from HTML, you will use 1% as a property. Everything will come from where? CSS. Everything people use from CSS. Okay, only tags the people use from HTML. Remaining all property people use from the CSS. Even we are going to do the same. Okay, like suppose we require to display something in italic, correct? Guarantee once you learn CSS, you are not going to write italic. Okay, wherever you are going to write the CSS for paragraph, one more property you add here, font style italic. So the text will become italic. Okay, so CSS property will come where a lot of HTML tags will required. Lot of HTML tags. If you are using multiple tags to do the similar functionality, what will happen? It is overload only, no? One H2 you wrote, and for H2 you are inside H2 you are writing call is italic. So one compiler have to read the H2, again it has to read the italic, right? Now along with H2, if you apply one CSS, so what will happen? Compiler had to read only H2, and along with H2, remaining all properties is applied. So you will not use the I tag to make italic. One property will insert in the CSS, that will happen. Okay, anywhere. Yes, if you are writing only HTML, then we have to see in HTML on and around what we can do. Okay, so those we are understanding. So written, check now. Hopefully your page should appear something like this. About us, and all are coming in the same line. Bangalore, normal text. This is called bold. This is called italic, and this is called a underline. All are in line tag only, which we are written up to 130 character. Okay. Using label tag, bold tag, italic tag, you should not use huge text. You should not display the huge text because the capacity of these tags are teeny text. Okay, it's up to very less text. How much? Overall, we are written up to 130 characters. 30 characters. Then you will ask this rule who has set? You have set or someone else has set? I have not set that rule. That rule comes from the digital marketing side, and that is given by the Google algorithms. Okay, when we search something on internet, right, you will see multiple websites will come first rank, second rank, third rank, right? This comes from. In fact, in every website there will be pages, there will be content. Why some page will come first rank, some page will come second link. Correct? Behind that, Google says, I have only one platform, search engine, but there is unlimited website in the world. Everyone wants that should be the first link. Everyone wants should be the first link. When suppose someone search, every website should be the first link. Every website owner wants the same thing, no? So who will be the first link? Which website will be the first link? Those who follow the rule regulation. Then question is who will give the rule regulation? Platform will give the rule regulation. That is called search engine rule regulation. Okay, so InfoCampus page is there, InfoCampus website, right? In that, so many rule regulation is applied. Then it come in Google search, public search, people click will happen. Plus, each follow the almost 90% of rule regulation given by searching. Then it come in Google search. Okay, so hope you done till here. Right, come now next. After that,
Label is for inlines.
inline label BIU all are inline. It's a printing in the same line here. Same line. Same lines print. Come next. Okay. After next, you write some other tag that is called font font. Right. Font is especially for to change the font family of your text, font color of the text, as well as font size of the text. Color, size, and font family, 3 things. Okay. So sometime we want the text should come in red color. Sometime we want text should come very big font size. Right. Sometime we want it should have a different font family. Correct. So in that case, we can use this tag. Okay. Let me write here color. Font color red. Then you will ask what is the color? COLOR. COLOR. Okay. Color. Color is the name of property and the red is the name of the color. That is called value. Okay. Instead of red, you can write color code. You can write any color name. Everything is fine, but the property name remains same. What is the property name? Color. Okay. Using that, it will change the text color. So we'll write here again. Let me write for Bangalore only. Okay, Bangalore itself. So you will find this Bangalore will come in red color. It will also print in the same line, but it will come in the red color. Let me write one more Bangalore. Their color will be green. Okay. For example, this line I have written one line saying like font color as a red and Bangalore open and font open and close. You wanted to copy and paste the same line again. What we'll do? Usually we select it. After that we copy it. Then we go down and then we paste here. Correct? That is the process, no? Select, copy and then paste. Notepad++ has given a shortcut key. Okay. What you can do is, whichever the line you want to copy paste, keep your cursor at the end. Okay, so keep your cursor at end. Then press Ctrl and D. Ctrl and D. Line will become duplicate. Ctrl and D. Like suppose this line we want to copy paste. Which line? Font color red Bangalore is written. So you want to copy and paste this line again. You want to copy and paste. So what we'll do? Select copy paste. Right? We have option here. Keep your cursor at the end point, end of the line, and press Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D. Right? See, copy happen, copy paste happen. It will increase your speed little. Sometimes I use the Ctrl D. Okay. Okay. Next in this, I'll change the color as a green. Hope you tried. Ctrl D. Tried. Okay. They will remember it. When you are writing the code, if you require Ctrl D, one line copy paste will happen and change fast. Okay. Okay. Color as a green, I change. Now I'll increase the font size. Okay. That is called size property. Size property. One is the lowest font size, that will be very small, and 7 will be the maximum font size according to HTML. What is the one? The smallest, 2 is a little bigger, 3 is little bigger, 4 is more bigger, 5 is more bigger, 6 is almost big, and 7 is the largest. According to HTML, how many font size? 1 to 7. One is the largest, one is the smallest. But if you want to display the font size big, 500 pixel, what will happen? HTML have no such property. To display the font size is 100 pixel. For that, we have to call the CSS and we have to use a property called font size. There we can write in pixel also. We can write in the PT also. We can write in the REM also. All measurements are there. Different measurements are there. Okay. So here font size, suppose I give call 6 or maybe let's try 7. Maximum font size. Okay, written. Check now. In the same line, it should appear and it should come in green color. Correct? In the same line, it should appear and that should appear in green color. Color. Our habit is to write COLOUR. But in programming, all the programming language, color spelling is different. COLOR. Okay? Come down. Spelling, color spelling. Okay, blank आ रहा है तो आप blue कर दो आप. Change to blue and then see. Change some other color blue and then check. Blue is visible. Blue is visible now. Blue is visible, right? Okay, so I hope everyone is writing today.
Why green is not visible?
Green is visible. Green is visible. It was same in my system also. Okay, green will not be very lighted color, no. If the background is white, then green will look like is a green. If the background is different color, then green is, see here, look at here, green, GRAAN, green. Okay. Now let me go here. Green is visible.
Yeah.
Look like green, not very much green. Huh? Green is there, no? It's looking green. And in your system, not coming. Okay. How it is? Okay, so 2% said they are working. Remaining, we should try, correct? See, 2-3 days you will not write code, no. The third day, 4th day, you will feel odd. You'll feel like direct overload. That's what I told you to restart writing from first day. Okay. Chaliye, let's go next. So we will leave this file now. We got idea how to create the file, how to run the file, as well as
इधर program कर.
some tags we written. We
But 10 बार minimize करो. हाँ ये
bold, italic, font, something. Next example will be something else. Go to the developer guide and write here what else you follow. You follow for p tag, correct? When you will use the p tag, if text length is more than 130 characters. Okay, we'll use the p tag, right? After that, b tag, u tag, I tag, correct? Bold, italic, underline, then label, correct? You can write one more tag called a strong tag. You can write one more tag called em tag. Okay, you can write one more that's called font tag. Okay, this all you are going to use if text is up to 130 characters. Okay, not more than 130 characters, up to 130 characters. Okay, up to 130 characters, you can use this. More than 130 character, you can use the first one. Hand raise will not give any proper meaning. You can write yes, working, not working. Hand raise also represent I completed. Also it represent please wait.
Question.
So you can write in the chat. No problem.
Okay. I just wanted to ask, can we bold P like if you want something that is more than 130 characters but also wanted bold or italic or something, is that possible?
We have next solution, no? For that only CSS has come in the market.
Okay.
We are writing this all term condition limitation HTML point of view. Right, so this all limitation will be in front of us. You will feel like we are completely packed from outside, we can't move anywhere. Then CSS will come, CSS will say, don't worry, I will make you something. I will make your entire limitation free. Okay, whatever you want, you can write it, everything is possible. In that time, what will happen? CSS will say, you take only tag from HTML. You take only tag from HTML. And remaining look and feel, design, property, value, all will give you. Who will say? CSS, right? Only if HTML is sufficient for the application, then why people use the CSS, correct? HTML is like you can say placeholder, and beautifying the placeholder, sampling the placeholder, you can say structuring the placeholder will be taken care by CSS. Now that what structure you have made look and feel better and all will be static. To make it functional, you need JavaScript. Okay, using iron, you can create the car body. Then after that, what will happen? Using paint, we can change the color combination. Correct. Once you apply the engine, then what will happen? Car will be functional. Correct. So your HTML is saying like it's creating the structure. Now the structure will be beautify plus, you can say, according to your need, you can make it more, you can say alteration, you can design it better with the help of next technology. Then after that, both will come, both will help you to make design, everything will be fine, but it will not move forward. To make it move forward, you have to make it functional. You need to apply the functionality. That will not happen through HTML and CSS. That will happen through the JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript also will raise hands, sorry, at some moment. At that point, we have to call another technology, move from here. So what you are doing, and first number one, you are understanding the what can be done through one technology, what is not possible. Then next technology will come that will say, I can do till here. Next third technology will come that will say, I can move from here to there. Fourth technology will say, I can do this. Once you merge all together, project is ready. Okay, okay, go next. Okay, so we will write under the developer guide again, how to link the pages. How to link the pages. When you are creating the multiple pages, right, how can you link it? So while linking, you have many things to see, multiple lot of property values are inside, but first we'll simply link two pages. After linking two pages, we'll come back and we'll write how many way you can link. While linking, what are the things you have to take care of, okay? So the tag is called an anchor tag. Tag is called an anchor tag, A, okay? The shortcut is called A. Tag name itself called A, but the full form technical word is called anchor tag, okay? Anchor tag, okay? It has a property called href, okay? A is the name of the tag, whereas href is the name of the property. In that, you will set the path for next file, path for next file, next file. Where is the next file where you want to go, okay? Then text to click, where the user will click. After that, close the A tag. This is one basic property that is called href. It has three more property. We will see that. You will create two pages. One page will be called till 3 we have created. Page 3 we have created. We have to make the file called page4.html and we'll create the file called page5.html. Page4.html, page5.html. See, number of pages will be more in my class because all example I create separate file. I don't mix everything together. Yes, when the time will come, definitely we'll mix all together. But initially, when we are learning topic wise one by one, we have to make a separate folder. Create two file, page 4 and page 5. Same folder. Page 4 and page 5, you can create two folder. Page 4 and page 5, create two folder. Sorry, not folder, file. In the same folder, we can create two files. Writing, let's complete it. Page 4.html will be something into the HTML folder, and you will create one more file, page 5, within the same folder. Okay, page 4 and page 5. Come to the page 4. In page 4, use body tag. Write the BG color. There is a property called BG color. Using that, you can change the background of your complete body, complete screen. Sky blue. Sky blue single word. BG color single word. Single keyword. No space. Okay. Body H1 we can write here. H1. Inside that, we can write call something our services. Come down below, use the P tag and display some 2-3 lines. ABCD you can write. So write till here. After that, I'll guide you how to copy and paste below. Page 4 you write. 5 are not created. HTML. Then close that up. If you want to click on that, here is the here. Use the network inside of it. Okay. Page 4 value. I asked you to create the file name folder. So page 4 only, but 4 is the digit. Okay. Page 4. So the file name. Page 4 of screen. Okay, so hope we have written till here. Now after this, hello. Hello. Yes, sir, tell me. You know Kala Mandir? Next to Kala Mandir, you will find one construction. New construction is going on in the service road. Before construction in the second floor. Which email ID? hr@cybortrix.com. Cybortrix.com. .com. Even you can mark on crram@cybortrix.com. Yeah, crram, SIYARM @cybortrix.com. SIYARAM @cybortrix.com. Okay. If you are coming, call me, I'll guide you. Where are you now exactly? Oh, you are in Whitefield. Come to Kala Mandir and then exact third building of Kala Mandir. You will find one sari shop is there before construction. In that second floor you can come. Aikata is the sari shop name. Okay. 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 Sorry. So hope we have written this paragraph. Now what we want is one line we have written. Keep your cursor in the last and press Ctrl D. Right? Ctrl D 3-4 times. Again, come down below. Write a paragraph. Write some ABCD, no problem. ABCD. Press Ctrl D twice, thrice. You will get more text. Okay. In the less time, you will get more text. Ctrl D, you can copy paste. Now from the page number 4, we wanted to go to the page number 5. Both page we are going to link. So we'll follow here call A, href equal to href equal to href equal to from the page number 4, which page we want to go? Page number 5. So we'll write here page 5.html. Right? After that, we will write here call go next. Go next. Go next. Page 5.html. After that, we can write go next. If you run this file, you will get a hyperlink called go next. Once you click on that, it will navigate to the next file. So you will not run as of now. First, we'll complete the page number 5. Then we'll run both together. Okay, so href, ahref, then text, and after that close the A tag. Right, so first file is ready, page 4. Go to the page 5 now. In page 5 again, we can follow HTML. We can follow again body tag. And page 5, BG color give different. BG color equal to BG color equal to something. Pink color. Come down below. Write the H1. H1. More about services. More about services. Below you will follow in P tag. Write something, ABCD. And in between something we want to make as a bold. So we can open the B tag, close the B tag, and we can write this is bold. B tag is over. Continue next again. Keep writing. You can use some I, italic. I'm writing this is simple italic. Then something we can write here. Again, we can come down. Write some text next. 3-4 line. ABCD, ABCD. You can copy paste also. Let's add one more paragraph. So it is going to spread within the full screen. One more P tag. Write something, ABCD, ABCD. After this P tag, we'll follow again href. href to the previous page. Called page 4.html. And we can write here call go back. Go back. So now these 2 pages, you should save it. After saving, we can run any page. There will be hyperlink. You will click on that.
This page is Facebook.
Page 5. Same is page 4 also. This link is different. This is pointing to page 5. From page 4, we are pointing to page 5. And from page 5, we are going back to page 4. Same content you copy paste, no problem. Just change the which one link. From page 4, go to page 5. From page 5, come to page. After writing, you can run it and check once your page is linking or not. Any content, no problem. Let it do. Just put the link after the question PY, so BG color here. BG. After filter, now you get directly name. Okay? Takes a little here, very fine. Okay, so here link is happening from page 1 to page 2, page 2 to not page 4 to page 5, and page 5 to page 4. Running. So page number 3, 4 to 5. I'll show you how it happened. I need to run any file, maybe page 5 I'll run. Page 5. From page 5, go back. We'll come to the page 4. Again from page 4, go next. Page 5. Right? Just I have zoom out so that it should look bigger on size and look proper. Something like this. So on internet, whenever we see any kind of hyperlink, where we click and it redirect to the next page, okay? Everywhere, okay? Everywhere people use the tag called A tag. AHREF tag, everywhere, whether it is a static link or dynamic link, no matter, but people use the A tag. Okay? Through HTML, you are redirecting from one page to other page. Okay. Through JavaScript also we can do the same thing, but in JavaScript we have to call the same tag. Which tag? HREF. Okay, HREF we have to call there also in JavaScript also. In case if you are linking the page through the JavaScript, redirecting from one page to other page through JavaScript, you have to call the same property. Which property? HREF. Okay, even some more functions also we have. Okay, pages are linking. Link is ready. Now after that, we should try it. Okay, I have not written a lot of properties so that you should get confused. If basic system operating knowledge if you have, then I hope you can follow it properly. Basic system operating knowledge if you have, then we can write it. Linking page, check for Arno. Check once. After spending 2 hours of time, 1.5 hour of time, something should be in hand. Yes, this is the achievement for the day. It should not be go home with empty hands, right? Go home, then there should be some proof. I went somewhere, I came with something. Okay, save your file, run it. Okay, fine. You have given the blue color. Right here. So this is the blue color. So the sky you have missed out, applying it to the sky. You will be very dark. In that again, E tag also compatible blue only. Okay. Problem in here we are linking to 6 7. Sky blue, this is sky blue. Change to this one is another top color. So once we go from one page to other page, we feel like a page is. Okay. Now we have the file. And so we can go here, go next. Then from here, go back. So, and pages, new page. On internet, you have experience when you click on some hyperlink, sometime it open the new tab. New tab open. When you click somewhere, new tab open, right? Remember?
Go next to it.
Go
Go next.
Go next. Text is called go next. It will go to the page 5.html. So we have inside the A tag, we have a property called target. We have property called, you can say title, target and title. Using target property, you can define when you are clicking on the page, it's going to the next page. But using target property, we can define this page should open where? It should open a pop-up window. It should open a new tab. It should open a blank tab. Okay. Or it should open as a self window. What should happen? So we have list of property. Through that, you can see that. Okay. So if running, then come to the right. Let me guide you which website I should open. Medical Planet have some link or not? Should have the link. First inquiry. Okay. I open that website again. Let me click here. Somewhere I'll click. Okay. I'll click on login button. You can see I'm going to click on login. So here is one tab. One tab is open here. I'll click again here on this tab. You can see new tab is open. New tab is open. That is also hyperlink only. Okay, that is also hyperlink. When I go click on sign up, that's not open the new tab. It's within the same tab. When I'm clicking on this, it's not going to the next tab. It's within the same tab. Right? Sometime when I click here, you can see one pop-up window open. This call is what? Child window. This becomes a child window. Original window remains same. On the top of that, on another window. So this is based on the concept of child window, but the feature is something else. Feature name is called model. Feature name is called model. This is also like going to work like a child window only. One bed window you have. Instead of going to the other page, you are reducing the number of clicks. You are reducing the number of page redirection within the same page. Next picture you bring with the help of pop-up window. That is called target equal to child. Okay. So we can come to developer guide. Or let me guide you some more example. Where is that? Chris would have some example like this. Okay, let me go here. Something software developer. Right, location, some 0-year experience. Okay, then Bangalore, subject. Now, based on my given query, based on the given input, it has given 22,538 records. It has come from database. Okay. When I click here, then what will happen? Next page will open. If next page will open here itself, 2,538 record will miss or not? Let me click here. When I click here, it's open a new tab. Now in the first tab, 2,538 record is same. It's here or not? It's here only, no? If I click some other place again, it will open one more tab. Our result set remain same. What result has come from the backend, that remain same. If we click here, next page will appear here itself. Then we will lose the result. Which result? 2,500 result will lose or not? Again we will search. Again request will go to backend. In the 1 crore record, again query will fire in the backend. Again 2,500 record will come. You will click somewhere. Next page will open. Again you will lose 2,500 record. So what will happen? Because of one mistake in the front end, the backend is getting hit again and again. Now I open 2 URL here. 2 job description I open. But this query has fired how many times? Only one time, no? One time we have requested, based on query, it has given a lot of result. Now that result is here. User will click, no problem. You see 2,500 records you have based on your query. Click anywhere and see. So your result set remain same. You will not lose the result set. But if I click here, next page appear here only, then we will lose the result. Again, we have to fire a query. We have to search again. Correct? So one user will search 10-20 times. Backend will get hit 10-20 times. Correct or not? So due to high traffic, your application will become slow. Everyone is searching and hit is happening to where? Backend. Hit is happening to where? Backend. Now when you search, your result came here. All result is here only. You click, request will not go to the backend again and again to fetch the result. Result set remain same. So for that, one property is responsible. That property name is called target. That property name is called target. When you click on the link, where you want the page should open, within same tab, new tab, blank tab, pop-up window, child window, parent window, 7 types we have. Out of 7, 1 is not in use, 6 are in use. Okay, in that 3 you can implement through HTML. 1 you can implement through the HTML only frame set, little old topic. Okay, and 2 you can implement through the JavaScript. 3 in HTML, 1 more in HTML only, 4, and 2 using the JavaScript. So total will become how many? 6. And using the whether through JavaScript or through HTML, wherever you want this all 6 method you can apply, and you can open that new tab or new blank page or however you want. You can make a note here, or no, you can make a note here. Okay. What are those? You can add here first called property called target. Target property. Okay. I feel some people are out of the track. Let me guide you again. So you saw this example, no? I have searched how many times? Only one time. Whenever I am clicking here, it is opening the new tab. So our main result remain same. There is no reflect on the main result. Let me come to this website, that Medical Planet what I have opened. Okay. So in that case, or let me open other website, our info campus website. Fast. Okay. Now we are on the home page. Okay. When I go to the menus and click on some link, full stack development. When I click here, you will see we will lose the data of home page and it will redirect to that next page. That is called web development page. It is going to where? Web development page. So we will lose the data of which page? Home page. If you want to see the data of home page, again you have to click on home. Then it will go to where? Home page. Let me go here again, click somewhere else. Maybe I'll click somewhere called here Angular training or something. I click on that. Now web development URL we missed. We gone to where? Angular page. We want to go back to the web development or maybe home. We have to click again. And whenever you click, request will go to the backend. Whenever you click, request will go to the backend. Correct? This is also hyperlink only. This is also hyperlink, right? This is also hyperlink. So whenever we are clicking here, it's opening every time next page within the same tab. In your example, what you have made today, this file, page 4 and 5, let me open in the which browser? Same browser, Chrome only. Okay, other tabs I'll close here. Other tabs I'll close here. Other tabs are there. Let's close here. Okay. Now when I click here, how many tabs? Within the same tab, content is changing, right? Same tab content is changing, no? So this is called target equal to self. Target equal to self. Whenever you click any hyperlink, next page will appear within the same tab. Your current result set will go and next result set will come. That happens through the target equal to self. Now hold on. When I click on next here, right? And if it is opening something like this, open a new tab, I open manually. It has not opened through the code. I open manually. Again, I click here. So how many tabs is open? 2 tabs. So whenever you click on the link, and if the opening the new tab every time, it is called target equal to blank. Target equal to blank. Every click it open the new tab. Every click it's open the new tab. In Naukri, so I click 4 times. How many tab it has opened? 4 tab it has opened. That is called target equal to blank. Correct? So make a note first. We will implement. You will clear. You will remember it. Okay. So we can go here. What we wrote? Target we wrote. And one more property is called title. I will guide you. Title where to use, target where to use, and href where to use. So this page number 4 and page number 5 was working for everyone. You saw normal hyperlink, how to link it. That was happening. Okay. Now write below. What is the A? What is the A? Okay. It is tag name. It is name of tag. It is name of a tag. Okay. Now what is the href? Href. What is that? Okay. Href. It is name of the tag, and href is name of property. Name of property in E tag. href you cannot use anywhere. With paragraph you cannot write href. href is always associated with the E tag only. Okay. href is a property of E tag. So we wrote name of property in E tag for what purpose? To set up link for next page. The href property is going to help you to set up the link for the next page where you want to go. There we have to give the with folder name, with file name, or maybe other domain name also. From here we can redirect to Google also is fine. We can write http://www.google.com. Right? It will go to where? Google. Okay. So that linking will get established through the property called href. Come down. Next property you have written called target. Okay. Target, what it will do? You can write first a normal text. It used to set the location. Used to set the location for next file. Next file. You can write here one more word in the last that will make you more clear. To be open. To be open represents some other kind of voice. It is like it used to set the location for file to be open. What represent? Or shall I change the sentence? It used to set the location for next file. Next file, it's used to set the location for next file to be open. Okay, so this line is trying to say that with the help of target property, you can set the location where next file will open. Your next file will open in the new or blank or where it will open. Okay. It used to set the location for next file to be open, right? Next, after that, you have one more property called title. Title. Okay. Again, it is for digital marketing. It is for digital marketing and Google search. It is for digital marketing and Google search. Digital marketing and Google search. Okay. For digital marketing and Google search. In our website, we have a link called InfoCampus Learning Management System. Okay. So many our students will search in Google directly, InfoCampus Learning Management System. Directly Google will show that link. Now, people are searching what? InfoCampus Learning Management System. In our website where we have given the link, there also we have written the title equal to, we have given the hyperlink in our website where title equal to InfoCampus Learning Management System. Now what people search in Google? InfoCampus Learning Management System. Google, how it is connecting? Inside our page, there is a link. In that link, title is written for InfoCampus Learning Management System. People are searching in the Google and Google directly giving a link of the particular page. So from link will appear, people will click and they'll go directly. Right? So what this link, what this title property do when you are creating the page, when you are creating a multiple type of link, when you are creating multiple type of link, after that, when your page will go to the Google, Google will index the page. While indexing the page, the Google will check the link you have given. What is the name for the link? Name in the sense what? Title. You have given the link, that is fine. File name is there. It will go to that file. But this link is for what purpose? That will be represented by Which property? Title. Also, you here in the live website, you can have website is open or close. I think I have closed 8 minutes. I open it. How title look? You can see. See, my mouse is going here. Mouse is going here. As soon as the mouse will go to any link, like here. Mouse is on UI development training. You can see one pop-up open with white color. That is called as what? UI development training. Pop-up came no? That is from the title. Okay. When the mouse go here, you can see text is coming front-end development course. Text is their main link, but just below to that kind of a balloon is open, no? The white color. That is called as what? Title. Google have no any kind of relation with this text. Google have the relation with this text. Which text? That is coming in the title. Google will make a relation between that text. When the people search in Google search, that time this particular link will present to them. That is called what? Title. A person is sitting on chair, but without name. How can you call it? Suppose a person is sitting on chair, but without name. How can you call it? Will be little difficult, no? But if we have a name Ganesh, from 50 feet away also, we can call hi Ganesh. Ganesh will take the action, right? If the person has no any name, he will say, excuse me. Then there is a 10 people, all will look in front of you. All will look to you only. Confusion happen or not, right? Google says like when you are creating the pages, linking the pages, you give the link, that is fine. You click on that, everything is okay. But people will ask me tomorrow, they will give me particular keyword and they will ask me, give me suggestion. How I will display your page here? Correct? You have to do something for that purpose. That will happen. That relation will establish through the property called title. And the title should be meaningful title. It should not be my page. It should not be sign up page. It should be proper a sentence that should make a proper sense, saying like this page is for this purpose, this link is for this purpose. That should be the title. Okay. Now right below type of target. Okay. So href you saw, e tag you saw, title also I'll show you in the next example. Next type of target you write. Okay, right here. Type of target. Reason to write this type of target, it is useful. Once you become a front-end developer, UI developer, you are going to use it. Okay. Plus in day-to-day life also, when you are going to operate the website, when you click somewhere, a new tab will open. As a front-end developer, web developer, you should know why this open a new tab. Correct? Now onwards, you have started writing the HTML code. You are able to create the link. You are able to do bold, italic, underline, H1, H2 you are following. So when you open the website, fine, you open like the customer, okay. But let's change the way of imagination. Think like little a developer. Okay, when the big font size comes, you should feel like, oh, he has used the which tab? H1 tab. Wherever hyperlink is will be there, you should think, okay, he has used which tab? E tab. When you click on that new tab open, you should feel, oh, he has used the which property? Target property. When the text display bold, it should hit in your mind. He has used which tab? Bold tab, B tab. Correct. Type of target what we have, we will be writing target equal to underscore self. Okay. Target equal to underscore self. Target equal to underscore self. What it represent? The next page. The next page will open in same tab. When you click on the link, the next page will open in the same tab. Okay, you can write even below. It is the default target. It is default target. Default target represent, in case if you have not written target, today example you have created, in both the pages you have written the hyperlink, anywhere have you written the target property? No. Then what is the default target? If you are not writing the target property, what it will be by default? Where the page will open? So page will open in the same tab. Okay. If you write target equal to underscore self, then also the page will open in the same tab. Okay, so default target is underscore self. Today onwards, whenever you click on any link, if the next page open within the same tab, you must remember it is which property? Target equal to underscore self. If developer have not written the target equal to underscore self, then also default is underscore self only. Default is underscore self. Okay.
So can you give an example?
I will write example for all, but before that we need to have something. No? If you write text and then implement, then connectivity will happen. Sometime, if some example will be first write and then first create and then notes, I will follow in that way. Some example will be first notes and then example. Okay. Now you understood self, what is happening. Previous example you wrote no self, right? Underscore new I'll guide you. Underscore blank I'll guide you. Okay. Even all 6, 7 I'll guide you one by one step by step. To implement the self, new and blank will create 2 more files. Link 1.html and link 2.html. And then we'll see. Okay, all 3 one by one. Okay. Target equal to right next target equal to underscore new. Okay. Underscore new. What it do? The next page will open. The next page will open in new tab, but only first click. Only first click. Underscore new tab, what it says, when you click on that, it is going to open the new tab. That's fine. But when it will open? Only first click. Now think like this. There is a link called register. You click on register first time, register page is open in the new tab. Okay, again you click on register. Again you click on register. Again you click on register. You click 10 times on the register. But when the new tab has opened, only first time. When you are clicking again and again, it is not opening the new tab again. That's called what? Target equal to underscore new. When it open the new tab, only first click. Continuous, you click 20 times also no problem. It will not open the new tab. Only first time it will open. Second click, third click, fourth click, just it will reload the page. Tab was already open. It will reload. It will reload. Okay. Next. Target equal to underscore blank. Okay, in Naukri.com we saw today, we have seen the next page will open in new tab, but every click. Whenever you click, a new tab will open. In Naukri.com we have seen, result has come. In that result, I have clicked total 3-4 times, 5-6 times I guess I clicked. Whenever I was clicking, it was opening the new tab. Whenever we click, it opened the new tab. That is called target equal to underscore blank. Target equal to underscore blank will open the new tab on every click. Target equal to underscore new will open that new tab only first click. Target equal to underscore self will not open the new tab. Within the same tab, next page will keep loading. Okay. Ready-made example from internet, I'll show you. Ready-made example also from internet. We will write our own also. Let me come. So 3 we have written, right? Okay. Let me go here. Which page I should click? It's not in this website. Should be in Medical Planet. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'll click on where I should click on login. But login, that page is not there. It was throwing the error. Where I should click. This will also not open the new tab. This also not open the new tab. Blank tab. Okay. 1 minute हो गया है. I have hundreds of examples. I will show you from anywhere. HTML, where are you? HTML. Let me go here. This is same thing, what we have implemented. Which one is one? There should be called details page, and there should be page called product page. Okay. Now see, this is one page. I click here. One click, open the new tab. Let me close this. I click here, open the new tab. My main page is here only. Again, I'll click here. One more tab is open. Two time click, two tab is open. Main page is same. I'll click here again. Three tab is open. Main page is still remain same. This is called what? Target equal to underscore blank. Let's see whether really same or different. I did right click and view source. You can see here target equal to underscore blank, right? We will create our own example, but not today, next day, that is tomorrow. I have added many people in the group. I think how many people was there? 7, 8 was there. So remaining whoever are missing, they should send their name in this WhatsApp. That is called this one. Video last class video I have sent you. This one college 87924-62607. In that you need to WhatsApp your name hyphen 2 p.m. this way. Okay. In that 87924-62607 in WhatsApp, send your name 2 p.m. Okay. So I will add in the group, and then today video will also come there. You can have